Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going out into the big wide world. So I felt like, after being in the house for a little while, I needed a bit of a pick-me-up, and I thought that I might just do a little bit of makeup today when I go out, and why not do the one dip makeup challenge. Now, if you know me personally, or if you're one of my friends, you would know that I'm always late on a challenge. Like, even when something is trending or something is super cool and everyone's talking about it, I don't know what they're talking about. I am literally living under a rock for at least 3 months post cool trend. So here I am, and I think that this trend is a couple of years old, but not for me. I just heard about it. Basically, this is what this video is today. It is the one dip makeup challenge, and basically just a little chatty get ready with me while we do it together. So if you're ready to see me try and do my makeup with one dip, then let's get into it. So I don't know if I'm already cheating off the bat, but I don't have a primer that has like a dipstick. So the only thing that I have is, my Smashbox primer that I talk about all the time. So there's not much in the little dipstick here. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm just going to use whatever is in here, and let's see if we can do with maybe like 3 pumps. Okay, so let's just take 1, 2, 3. Like I said, 3 pumps. And let's just use that. So those 3 pumps were literally just enough. Okay, now let's put the trusty Alice band on. Get the hair off my face. Okay, so for foundation today, the only dip one that I have is one that I got for my birthday. I haven't even opened it yet, so as you can see, it's still got the plastic on. So let's take that off. I don't even know if it's gonna match me because I wasn't able to test it in the store. Okay, so foundation. Okay, so this is the one dip, so let's put the bottle away. I don't even know if it's going to be enough, but oh, I think this color might I think I'm already out. No, oh no, it's dry already. Ugh. So I'm trying to get every last bit out of here. Okay, there's nothing left. So now let's try and blend it out. I think this is a good match. I think it's maybe just 1 shade lighter than my normal skin, but it's okay, we can work with that, we can do it. Okay, that's dry. My face is the foundation is on, and I think that it just had enough. So now let's go into some concealer. So sticking to, I guess, Makeup Revolution. So my foundation was Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define, and now I'm gonna go in with Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define with a concealer. Okay, so that's, okay, so 1 dip of this. I think it should be enough. There's usually quite a lot on here. Yeah, we'll be fine. Okay, cool. I'm feeling a bit better about the concealer. I feel like I'm looking a bit pasty today. Okay, next we should go in with powder to set the face. So I have the Face of Australia translucent powder, and I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna tip some out into the lid, and then let's see if I can dip that way. Okay, whoops. Okay, so I'm gonna take my powder brush, and let's do my 1 dip. Wow. Okay. Okay, so I think under eye is probably the most important. So let me just see if I can maybe squeeze this together. Let's do that. Okay, now let's there's a little bit left on here, so let's just go the rest of the face. Okay, so that is powder on. Now I think what I'll do next is I'll go in with a little bit of bronzer. And now I'm like, oh, I'm just gonna do a quick, easy, let's go out and do some shopping look. Brings out the bronzer. But this bronzer, one of my favorites, it was actually introduced to me by my cousin when we went overseas, and she used to use it, so I'm using it. And she used to do my makeup there for me. She's the best. But, okay. So I'm gonna just use this brush that's in here. Okay, so I want to take a lot, but then I'm scared if I put it on one cheek. Okay, let's just go. Okay, so let's take my dip. Okay, that's my dip. That's my dip. And let's go into this. I gotta try and be as sparing as I can. Okay, there's like none left for my forehead, which is fine. We will work with that. Just gonna blend this out a little bit. Not that it helped much. I don't think I took too much. I feel like there's a lot on the first cheek that I dumped everything on, and I don't think that it was set enough yet, so I'm looking a bit weird. So I think I'm going to be a little bit cheeky and maybe go in with the bronzer again and do a little nose contour. You know, it's just turning it out to a full face of makeup. So I'm going to take my bronzer and take a clean little brush, and then let's just go one dip. Okay, so let's try. Hopefully I don't look all muddy, but okay, that wasn't too bad. Subtle, but that's what we were going for. It is what it is. Okay, next let's go in with some blush. So this is a really old blush that I have, and it's from Clinique, and it is the Bashful Plum number 20. I don't know if that means anything. So I'm just going to take a brush and go in. Okay, done. It's not as pigmented as I wanted it to be. I should have taken a bigger dip. It's okay. I've got a little bit of color on my cheekies, so tricky one I think is going to be my favorite highlighter. I did choose this though because I know that this is really pigmented, but I usually in real life I don't use a brush for it, so I'm going to use my finger like normal, and I'm going to go in with the whiter shade. So that was it. That's my dip. That's it. And I'll just try and highlight with that. So it's definitely not enough bling bling for a normal highlight. I don't even think there is any highlight, but that's okay. We did our one dip. So now I'm gonna go in with a subtle, this whole look has been subtle. Now I'm gonna go in with a look from the Roxy Revolution palette. This is her Ride or Die. Just no makeup on here. I haven't dipped anything yet. So you can see, nothing. So I think I'm gonna go in with the shade Pumpkin. So let's go in. Okay, one dip. Now I'm gonna spread this over two eyes. That's a problem. Okay, so let's put a little bit over there and a little bit over there. Okay, so let's try and spread that out on the eyelids somehow. And then I think I'm gonna go in with gingerbread here. So one dip. Let's go into the little crease there and the crease here. I feel like I'm pulling the funniest faces because I'm so stressed to get this makeup on with one dip. It's not my usual cool, calm and collected, guys. I am feeling the one dip pressure here. Okay, we got our little gingerbread shade on there. So now let's try and blend that out a little bit. I'm not mad at that. I'm not mad. We were going for subtle and that's what I'm getting. Thank you, one dip. Then I think maybe I am gonna go back in with Pumpkin. Not for the top, I'm not cheating. Just back in there just to go under the lid. No, becoming a little patchy. Just because I can't get enough to go in there and fill in the little gaps. It's my own fault, not the palette's fault. Then I'm going to go in with this color here at the bottom called Mars. And I'm not going to use a brush, and I'm only going to use my finger. So then I'm just going to go in with this color here, Mars. One dip. So let's take my finger on my finger. There it is. Done. Dip. Done. And I'm just going to go in on top of my eyelid for some color. Let me just steal some from that side. Not bad. Guys, she's cute. She's got a little bit of eyeshadow. She's cute, man. Let's go in with mascara. This is I chose this one because this is almost my ride or die. I'm loving this mascara, and this is from Essence You Better Work Length Definition Mascara. So it's gym proof and waterproof, right up my alley. Okay, so I'm unscrewing. That's it. We're done. So let's see if I can do 2 eyes with this bad boy. I have faith though. She's a good mascara. She's really good. So like I said, she does not disappoint, guys. Definitely something you should get your hands on is the Essence mascara. Okay, so like I said, I'm going out into the world. I'm going to be wearing my mask, so I'm not really going to go in with anything fancy on my lips. So what I'm going to do is my trusty 8-hour Elizabeth Arden Repair Lip Balm. This I know is what I usually use at night, but I'm feeling a bit sorry for myself today, so this is it. Okay, so one dip. I'm just taking my finger. Done. And that is my one dip makeup challenge. I had so much fun with this today. It was a bit stressful, I'm not gonna lie. I was on the edge the whole time. I was like, oh, I need to get this, I need to get it right. And it wasn't that difficult. It was actually easier than I thought it would be. The only problem I had, I think, was with my foundation. Because it was so new, I didn't have a time, you know, to like get in there and like mush it around everywhere. So whatever was on the little doe foot that was it. So I'm lucky I even got product. I'm chuffed about that. But other than that, it was pretty easy. It was pretty fine. This is something subtle that I would be very proud of to go out in every day. So yay me. Let me know what you guys think down below. Let me know if you would like me to do some more challenges. This was really fun. But anyway, enough rambling from me. So if you enjoyed this, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for joining me here today. I hope you're staying safe, and I can't wait to see you guys next time. Thank you. Bye.